Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. In my previous video, I shared what you can consume to naturally increase GFR and reduce creatinine levels. In today's video, I will tell you the complete diet plan for 7 days from Monday to Saturday, including what you should eat and what you should not. This video is going to be interesting as I will advise you on the holistic management of chronic kidney disease with just diet. So keep watching and support our videos for more kidney health related videos. So now let's begin with the kidney health diet plan for Monday. Begin your day with a plate full of fruits that are low in potassium and sodium. You can add 1 apple, strawberries, blueberries and red grapes and sprinkle a pinch of black pepper over it. This is your breakfast. Now come to your brunch snack. You can enjoy sauteed vegetables including broccoli, carrots and lettuce. Now, what's for lunch? You can have quinoa veggies, pulao with tofu. Okay, it's time for post-lunch meal. You can eat unsalted rice with cucumber, carrot and green leafy salad. Now it's time for dinner. You can enjoy low sodium cabbage, carrot, corn and broccoli, vegetable soups, etc. Now it is time for Tuesday. Repeat the same breakfast of fruit salad. You can enjoy a cucumber or carrot salad at brunch. Now let's talk about lunch. You can have pasta with olive oil, bell peppers and cabbage. Now take a fruit smoothie of apples and berries as a post-lunch meal. For dinner, have stir-fried zucchini and rice noodles. The varieties of meals fulfill nutrient requirements in chronic kidney disease as there are many diet restrictions. Now let's come to the third day, Wednesday. Begin the day with breakfast. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. For brunch, add a small bunch of red grapes. Let's come to the lunch. It should be quinoa and rice with boiled cabbage and carrots. For post-lunch, take unsalted popcorn. Now remember, your dinner should be very light. You can have grilled cauliflower and tofu with black pepper and lemon. Alright, so now it's your fourth day, Thursday. Take a bowl of blueberries for breakfast. Now let's know what you can take for a snack. You can consume sauteed stir-fried tofu with lettuce and cabbage. You can have broccoli and corn soup for a post-lunch meal. Now for dinner, take a low-salt quinoa rice pulao. Well, now it's your fifth day, Friday. Begin your day with breakfast, oatmeal with apples, strawberries and soy milk. For brunch, you can have a small bunch of red grapes. Your lunch should be full of nutrients. Eat quinoa and tofu pulao with sauteed cabbage and carrot salad. Now let's come to the post-lunch meal. You can have broccoli and carrot soup. For dinner, it is best to eat stir-fried bell peppers and cauliflower. Alright, so now it's your sixth day, Saturday. Consider adding lettuce and mushroom salad for breakfast. Consume a handful of blueberries and pineapple for a snack. For lunch, you can consume unsalted boiled rice and grilled tofu with veggies. Now let's come to the post-lunch. Consume cucumber slices with lemon and black pepper. You can consume grilled zucchini with lemon. Now it's your last day, Sunday. Try eating a bowl of blueberries, strawberries and blackberries for breakfast as they are low in potassium and phosphorus. For brunch, take pineapple and cherries. Now let's move on to the lunch. Consider adding pasta salad with olive oil and carrots with a cup of soy milk. Now for an evening snack, you can add sliced pears and for dinner, try eating grilled tofu. Alright. This is low sodium, low potassium and low phosphorus wholesome diet plan full of antioxidants and vitamins for 7 days. Just try out this diet and see what magical benefits you will get if you are struggling with chronic kidney disease. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.